Welcome everyone to my course about how to build muscle mass effectively and in the shortest time as possible. My name is Viktor Vanecek and I'm really excited having you here. Before we get started, I want to tell you if you need any help with anything, don't hesitate to post comments in the right pane or send me a personal message here on the website. Alright, let's get started. So what are the objectives in this course? After you finish this course, you will be able to gain naturally or genetically maximal amount of muscle mass in shortest time as possible. This will help you to improve your attraction, self-confidence, performance and of course health in general. I started as a skinny guy who had a dream about nice and muscular figure. On this picture I have approximately 50 kilograms of weight and as you can see without any muscles at all. And I changed my body completely after years of trying and failure. This is my current form and I will teach you step by step how you can achieve this figure or even better as soon as possible. Actually, you can achieve it with right information in few months of hard training and nutrition without any forbidden substances at all. If I didn't have the right information, I would be in the same situation like perhaps you are. I looked like that after the first year of working out too. No change. I was really angry with myself and also the world around me. There was a time when I wanted to pack it in and reconcile to the fact that I will be skinny for the rest of my life. Then there was a time when I told myself I'm not going to give it up, and I was game for spending most of my money for buying various supplements, including those illegal ones. Then I struck up a conversation with my friend's friend who looked like he has been working out for long. And he really has. I found out he is very experienced. So he started leading me. He advised me the basic knowledge about strength training and the change was extreme. During first 2 months I put on 7 kilograms. According to photos and measuring of muscle mass, I even got rid of some fat by the changing my training and food. From that moment everything changed. Self-confidence, optimism regarding my progress, my point of view on the forbidden substances. I found out that if you want to improve yourself in something fast and effectively, you have to have the know-how. You have to find, for instance, 20% things which cause 80% of the results. Well, this was my little story. And if you gain enough muscles, it will help you not only with your shape, but it also helps you to increase your strength and overall performance. As you probably already know, muscles are our natural part. Without them we wouldn't be able to move or work at all. The nature enabled most people to evolve their potential. Funny is that it is exactly set so that it can be achieved, but so it was difficult at the same time. I don't mean only as regards bodybuilding, but in life in general. Everything beyond par requires additional energy, and gaining muscles is not an exception. You have to realize that fitness is not a seasonal matter. Most people that lift and want serious results also live that way. It's more like a lifestyle for them. You surely have seen a commercial like "Get the muscles for summer" and bullshit like that. Well, fitness is tremendous business and you are surrounded by marketing tricks all the time, which you usually need like a hole in the head. You won't gain muscles with some miraculous supplement or rubber band. The man is primarily meant to survive and your body literally wants you to remain as you were born. What means nothing much, isn't it? You need a strong stimulus to make your muscles grow. This stimulus is evoked primarily by hard training with heavy weights. Forget about guys in advertising brochures grinning from ear to ear training biceps with one light hand weight. The real stimulus for muscle growth requires a hard work you will not laugh at. But the good news is that if you do things right, it must bring the results. In this case, it means muscle material and strength. But not everyone falls in love with it. Maybe you will go to the gym once or twice and you will never get your ass back there anymore. You will find out that it's not for you and you will rather start playing chess or memory, but it's completely alright. You gotta keep trying and you will find out what is the best for you. Intuition usually suggests you what should you do and what should you become. And therefore, listen to people, but filter them. You know what you want to achieve, and that's what you should follow, because nobody else will do it for you. I wish you a lot of success on your long but beautiful journey of self-improvement. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.